Now selling the long-awaited Green Vista. Bellingham's premier contemporary design solar homes with high-end finishes starting in the 360s to high 400s. 4 plans to choose from: single-level attached homes to 4-bedroom 2-story homes. All homes come with custom-designed smooth-faced cabinets with solid quartz counters, efficient mini-split heat pumps with AC, fully fenced and low-maintenance yards, light and bright interiors with abundant windows throughout. Limited availability.